Good morning to Dinaspur. শান্ত সকাল। I see model মসজিদ here. New construction building and St. Joseph School and College. I enjoy the morning time because in the time I go to station for journey by train. I love it. The environment of morning time, Dinaspur city. It is a not big city, but lots of people gather here. I enjoy the environment nearly. Not bad, the view. The pledge from my goal station. I see old stylish house. Right now used to cafe. And I successfully reached station front side.